Each of the modules in our choices begin the same way. Slides 1 through 4 help teachers and students understand what to do. Viewing in slideshow is what we recommend because every click opens a new hint. And some of these problems have 3 hints, some have 4 hints. Each of the hints is either a single graphic illustration or an animation, so that with the clicks, each hint is revealed and gives you time to look to see what each coach is saying. Sometimes the 4 answer choices are displayed before the hints are clicked to appear. Sometimes the 4 answer choices are displayed after all the 4 hints appear. The very final click displays the correct answer choice for the problem. And the next click brings you to the affirmation slide, the one that we designed to say, you're doing it, keep going. You're going to be a math problem solver.